Hello friends, welcome on Shami Creator. Now I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel and start uploading videos, then become a content creator on YouTube. This will help you to monetize your YouTube channel and start making money on YouTube. Follow this. We are going to start with how to create it on a laptop. First of all, do subscribe if you have not subscribed so that you may receive more info or get notified when we upload a new video on this YouTube channel. So for now, you are going to start by searching YouTube in your browser. I have used Google Chrome. As you can see, this email is very new. They are telling me try searching to get started. I have not yet searched anything with this email. Also, you can see here on this cross, you can here create, upload a video. So let's click here on letter M. This M is due to my email starts with M. Yeah, any email, for example, if you have an email which starts by S, here there will be S. Now if you click there, you can see here there's somewhere written create channel below your email. So we are going to click here on create a channel. After clicking here, you see they are telling us to select a picture, then write the name of your channel. Then after, you will write your handle, your channel handle. Select the picture. I will not select any picture because I'm showing here, but for you, you select the picture, write the name here, you choose the name of your YouTube channel, then also the handle. You will choose a unique name for your own channel so that to avoid your channel to be missed. So for a unique channel, you will choose only unique name. On YouTube, there are many names of many different YouTube channels, so you will choose a unique name so that your channel will be visible. Yeah, your handle also should be the same to your name. Then after that, we create channel. Click here, create channel. Let's wait. Now our channel is created. As you can see, they are telling us your channel is being created. Check back in a few moments. For now, our channel has been created. Now we can click here and upload videos or go live. Then I can now search anything, but I will not search. First of all, what you have to know, you will use a new email. So let's now also create it using a mobile phone. We use this app called YouTube. Every phone, may either Android or iPhone, have it. As you can see here, also I'm going to use a new email. We will click here down on letter C or logo showing your letter of email. After clicking there, you will see here below your name it is written create a channel. On a mobile phone, it is very easy. It is more easier than on the laptop. After clicking there, you can see there is option to upload a picture, then create channel. You will upload the picture, change name or write your name here and handle, then click create a channel. This is how to create a channel. So this is how to create a YouTube channel either on phone or laptop. Subscribe if you have not subscribed yet so as to get notified anytime we upload any new YouTube related video.